welcome everyone to the next series of Project Showcase, and this is the financial or finance tracker web applications built with React. So let me begin straight to demonstration. Okay, we have five different sections where I can put the incomes, expense, and the visualize in real time on the dashboard. So let's begin out by adding some income. Let's say I get some income to feel like I got a salary. Okay, amount around $800. So I got it today, and its salary in it as reference. This is my salary. Okay, when I add income, you can see here the income has been added as salary with the date and amount and this. Okay, let's add another. I own from YouTube. Let's say YouTube earning amount is 1,000. Date maybe of July 29. YouTube top up. Alright, the next I have add earning YouTube earning. Likewise, I want to add more, like okay, some from Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin sold 90 yesterday. Sold amount. Okay. For this visualization purpose, I had added 3 of these like Bitcoin, YouTube earning, and salary. Let's see how it's visualized in dashboard. See here, wow, you can see with the nice chart showing the amount and its progression, right, along with the date, and also total income. No total expense has been visualized, so recent history like income. So let's add some expenses. Okay, let me add some expenses like, let me first select from option groceries. Okay, vegetables amount 20, date today, what? Alright. Okay, when I add expense, the color changes, and also $20 vegetables has been purchased, like clothing. Let's add clothing like $90 and date today. Yeah, I don't want to add anything. Oh, when I didn't add anything, it shows this checkpoint like all fields are required. This is also nice for type checking or some validations, right? So all fields are required. Jeans. I bought a jeans today. Amount like 70, and I title clothes for summer. Yeah, okay. And let's add like this, like one educations, like high school. Oh wow. Fee amount 120, date 26, add payment for education. Okay. Oh wow, server error. Also, I don't know why, but it shouldn't have done that. Like health 90 yesterday. Health payment. Okay, 3 different of expenses and 3 different sections of income. So all of these are visualized in real time on dashboard. See, as the time goes by, my expense has been reduced and income has been increased and somewhat reduced. So this recent history consists of 3 different sets of the past historical data, and also total income of 1890, total expense of 180, and total balance. The difference is 1710, and we are positive balance, right? Especially the beside this salary, the minimum salary $90, maximum I earn of $2,000. If I want to increase thousands, I can also add it. So, and also minimum maximum, so I want to add one more income with the maximum value. So let's add freelancing amount is 1800. Okay, and React development, when I add 1800, now the highest salary should go like see, it's 1800. Okay, it's 1800, the highest one, and maximum is 1800, and 3 different recent history sections is shown here. So talking about the database, the MongoDB has been used as database, and this chart.js is implemented here for displaying the data on chart. So let me show you how the data in database and the front end gets communicated. Like for now, I have the 1, 2, 3 different collections of income, expense, let's say vegetable, clothes for summer, and health. Here vegetable, clothes for summer, and health. So if I put a delete X into clothes for summer, see here, when I click delete here, it get deleted from front end. Not only this, but also the clothing should be deleted from back end. So let me refresh the collection and let's check the changes. On expense collection, we can see the clothing. See here, now only vegetables and health. Here vegetables and health. If I even delete the vegetable, let's see, if I delete here, and if I, for now here we can see vegetable, if I refresh the collection, oh, what happened? If I refresh the collection, the changes has to be appear. Okay, so expense, see, only health. Right, this was the full stack implementation of the MongoDB and front-end React application. So more videos yet to come. Everything will be linked in the description box. Do check out the source code and do your own. Good luck. And if you have any problem, you can just comment on the box below. Stay safe.